Hey, in this video, I will show you how to find and delete all viruses on your iPhone. I'll tell you a simple method and a more advanced method. Let's start with the first one. You want to go to settings right here on your iPhone and you'll basically be here. From here, you want to go to the bottom of settings. You want to click on apps. And you want to find the Safari browser. So you want to go down to RS. Here it is. You want to click on Safari. And here, what you actually want to do is click on Advanced, which will be at the bottom. So you go to the bottom, you click on Advanced. And on Advanced, you want to click on Website Data. And you want to delete all the data from these websites. Remove website data just like that. And that's really it. The next thing you want to do is you want to go back and make sure that your iPhone has the newest update. So on settings, you want to click on general, software updates, and you want to make sure you are up to date, and I am, as you can see. And the third option, which is probably the most easy one, is go over to the App Store. You want to type in, go on search, and you want to type in MACBOOK. This is what I personally like using if I'm worried about having a virus. I use MACBOOK, I clear everything, and then I uninstall it. So that's basically what I've done. Give me a like if this video helped you out. Subscribe for more content, and also comment down below which country are you watching this video from. See you next video.